Times, yeah, and we will see some nice weather this coming weekend, some cooler days ahead. Just some nice summer weather here with no extreme heat or high heat for at least the next week. We'll see if any changes come in August. Again, this month can be such a wild card. We have seen triple-digit days. We haven't gotten any so far this summer, so we will see what comes for us this month. But today, back in the mid-80s and actually very normal temperatures here. Our average highs on August 1st are around 84 degrees, and we're right about there in today's forecast. Say good morning to this cutie. This is Bella outside in Albany. Thank you, Tracy, for sending in this shot. You can always send your photos to KOIN.com/petwalkforecast. A little warm this afternoon, so make sure you've got some water for the pups and yourselves. Nice mild morning here. There's your live look outside. Dayton, Oregon, out of wine country and the coastline. That is Lincoln City. Back under some clouds, socked in once again. That's the case here for much of the coastline. Morning clouds, some afternoon sunshine on the way for you folks out across the coast today. We're dry and clear here for much of Portland. However, still watching the east sides of the state. We still have some moisture streaming in from the south. So some showers out there now. And as we heat up today, there might be enough energy for some thunderstorm activity once again. So we'll keep watching that very closely. In fact, Kevin sent me some photos earlier in this week here of lightning strikes that he's been capturing really every afternoon here. I believe he's out in the Lake County area close to Central Oregon. So lots of lightning and also consistent rain and heavy downpours and thunderstorms in this area. Pretty soggy for some patches underneath those thunderstorms, dropping lots of rain and lightning strikes too. So thank you, Kevin, for showing us what you're seeing out there. Again, these storms continue to fire off, and today we'll see more of them this afternoon. So here's our futurecast. Here in Portland, we'll start the morning out with clouds. Notice how we get to maybe 9-10 o'clock this morning, and those clouds really start to push out. So we're back under sunshine, pretty clear conditions and beautiful blue skies today. Just really quiet, nice summer weather here for much of Northwest Oregon. I do think the clouds for the coastline also back off too. We look towards the central parts of the state and down in southern Oregon, the Rogue Valley, Medford, also seeing those thunderstorms revving up here. So we'll see a few isolated to scattered storms again. We then repeat this in a Saturday for Portland. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine for the east sides of the state, back under that thunderstorm threat as we get to the afternoon and evening. So that pattern is remaining unchanged here. We could see those storms all weekend long. Here's the weather pattern. We do have this cooler trough of low pressure that is gliding into the region here, kind of dipping down into the Pacific Northwest. So we are seeing a cooler trend heading into early next week. We'll likely dip back down towards the 70s. I don't see any significant rain, but possibly a few sprinkles under more clouds as we get to maybe the middle of next week. But there it is, mid-80s today and tomorrow. By Sunday and early next week, we are back in the 70s, so a little cooler next week. But today, back in the mid-80s, still some heat down in southern Oregon. The coast, we're back in the mid-60s. I see a lot of sunshine out there heading into today. We'll track thunderstorms in central Oregon. Still some heat out towards the northeast sides of the state today. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, that cool down moving in likely by Sunday. But today and tomorrow, some beautiful summer days as we kick off the weekend and our month of August. Back in the 70s going into next week. And we'll keep our eyes on a few sprinkles. But so far, looks pretty dry here in Portland as we head towards the weekend and beyond.
Taking a quick look.